Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, you're gonna be like, you haven't had that before, dude? Yeah, I've had it before, but it looked a lot different. This is Samyang Foods Buldak Cheese. So it's changed. The logo's more obviously English than it used to be. And the Hochi looks the same. But yeah, this is definitely the export version made for the US. The side panels are all like, they have correct nutrition facts for the US, and it's imported and distributed by Samyang Foods America. So you get a cheese powder and you get a sauce and you get your noodle. So let's throw some boiling water in here and cover it for 4 minutes. Oh God. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna do that. All done there. And yeah, let's put that over here. We're gonna play with a new toy that I got that I'm like really jazzed on. Okay. Yeah, you go like that. And like that. We're setting it for 4 minutes and engage. All right. So what's my new toy? Well, let's get right to that. You might be like, what are you so excited about, Ramen Man? And I'm going to show you. Oh, well now I'm less excited because this cord is not allowing me the access that I want to give you to the amazingness of this device. Come on, let go. There. Look at this. So this is a special storage device. It's a computer no, it's not a computer storage device. It's a toaster. And what's weird about it, it's a toaster for one, and everything's in Japanese. This is the plus minus zero toaster, and I found it at the thrift store, and it was like, I thought it was $9.99, and I thought I was going to be able to talk them down for like $4.99, because I don't know, but yeah, so it was not $9.99. They wanted $20 for it, and then they brought it down to $9.99. So I was okay with that. It's got a weird deal here. So like if you set it and then turn it off, that's how you get it to pop up. There's no button. It's just like an on-off switch. So let's make some toast. I'm going to put it between 2 and 3. No, I'm not selling these. I'm just really into this toaster, and I'm gonna. My daughter Mimi is home today. She's not feeling well. I made her I keep wanting to say French toast. I made her cinnamon toast earlier. There we go. Her timer is still working. It's been kind of weird lately, and I don't know why. But yeah, I'm making a slice of toast. Why? Well, this toast only cost $1.69 for the loaf. So I figured, why not? It's fun to make toast. And it's getting hot. The thing is that's interesting about this is you have to have a step-down converter for it. So right now, it's pushing out, it's 500 watts of power. And it's supposed to be 100 volts. Well, you put it in a US outlet directly, which you can, it'll fit. But it's going to be cooking at 750 watts, which is going to make, you're just going to make some charcoal. So it's funny though, I don't see, it's getting hot, but there's no visible coils or little element to see. I think it's all between these panels and the outside. It's really strange, but I see it is toasting if you like the toast, and it doesn't take too long. And if you get impatient, you can turn the volume down, or the knob down, and it'll go plink. You know, it's a toaster. But what's fun about it, I think, is the fact that when it's done, it's like popped up and then sat to the side a couple times. And I think that's groovy. It's really a fascinating thing. The only downside is you touch it and it gets all greasy, and my fingers weren't greasy, but it's like, oh. But it's the little red toaster that can make toast. So it seems very well suited for tiny kitchens, which is kind of like what I got here. Well, this is done. So let's put this over here. Am I going to use the toast? Toast. Isn't that convenient? And look how beautiful and golden brown. Hey. All right, so we'll turn that off and stop that silliness. But yeah, I have to plug it into a special thing called a step-down converter. That's what I have my, what do you call it? My spring onion slicer plugged into, actually. Because if I didn't do that, the motor in it would die pretty darn quick. We don't want that. No, that's a fancy deal. Here's our noodle. Happy and done. So no, you won't see me try this in this video. What? What's that about? I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna have a tantrum. I'm gonna write bad YouTube comments. God, I had one the other day. Oh, it was great. I'm gonna tell you right now, I absolutely love it when people like give me like really uninformed and angry comments about my reviews on stuff. You didn't even try it after you put the stuff on it. Panty and ruffle, sir. Sorry. Family must be very embarrassed to know that you talk to complete strangers this way. But, no, they said I was being, quote unquote, bougie for using mung bean sprouts. Trying to be all bougie using mung bean sprouts. I didn't realize mung bean sprouts were so high-end. I don't use Chanel mung bean sprouts. Here's the cheese powder stuff. But yeah, if you're seeing this video, the mukbang came out a while back. So all you gotta do is type in cheese Buldak Ramen Raider professional mukbang, or professional mukbang generally will come up with my stuff. So there's the cheese powder. There's that. Let's get it all up in this biznatch right here. There's your biznatch at you, I think. Well, let's give it a stir. See, I like it with a little bit of liquid. That allows it to traverse the noodle much better, I think. And when you don't, it's really dry, and I'm not all about the dryness. See, I think this would be much better suited with a little bit of water. A wee bit. That's a special measurement. A wee bit. So yeah. But yeah, this will be mukbanged shortly. Alright, there's that. How are we going to dress it up? Not going to do a whole heck of a lot to it. Oh, son of... There you go. There you go, Rotato. God. Don't want anything bad to happen to old Rotato, are you? Yeah, you're alive. You're alive, my Baron. You're alive. Alright. Come on. Come on. Get on there. Do your thing. Get nice. That's pretty nice. That's not nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our noodle. Give it an extra stir. This smells really good, and like I said, it's been a while since I've done this one. So I won't be surprised at all if the flavor is slightly different than it used to be. But yeah, I want it to look nice and uniform. Here's, I gotta taste it. Yeah, that's different. They've done things. I made chashu 2 days ago. People have been giving me crap about my chashu. I don't know why. But I think it's going to be wonderful. Where's my toes? Where's my toes? Oh, you zip it out there, zippity dippity doo. Uh-oh. And we're going to rotate this way. Use the torch. People just get mad about everything. I don't. I think that angers people too. Sliced, angled slice. Simmer, simmer. You'll get your spot on the video drone thingy shortly, young lady. A little bit of sesame seed. Alright, so. Yeah, there'll be a mukbang. And you're gonna love it. It's gonna blow your freaking mind. I hope you're ready. What about that? Let's do this. Hey, Rotato, do your stuff. All right, well, that's it for me for today. If you look up the Ramen Raider Professional Mukbang, you'll find the cheese bulldog one very soon, if not already. You'll enjoy it. It'll do you up, do you nice. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go to YouTube and look up the Ramen Raider. You see all my videos, all my mukbangs, all my shows. So do it, do it, do it sooner. Bye-bye.